Which connection type should you choose when installing a bathroom radiator? We recommend two options for connecting a radiator. The first option is a 50mm center-to-center valve connection. This is its spacing. It's a great choice when you want the radiator to be positioned symmetrically, for example, in the middle of a wall, recess, or chimney. This setup makes it easy to mark the radiator's center line on the wall, ensuring perfect alignment. The 50mm spacing is also the most universal, allowing compatibility with most radiator models. Another advantage is flexibility. You can use radiators of different widths without worrying about valve spacing. Here, we're using the Zigzag model with a ZS-type connection to show how this setup works. This type of connection also has openings in the collectors, which allow for the installation of an electric heating element. If you're not using one, you simply seal the unused collector with a blanking plug. The second recommended option is a valve with an immersion pipe. In this setup, the valve is installed in just one collector, the vertical pipe, on either the left or right side of the radiator. This type of connection is useful when the radiator is positioned against a side wall, near a corner, or next to another element, like a shower enclosure. It allows for side-mounted installation. In our example, we're using a bottom collector connection, SX type, to demonstrate how the immersion pipe valve works. One collector houses the valve, while the other can be used for an electric heating element. This setup also offers flexibility. You can swap the valve and heating element, for example, placing the heating element on the left and the valve on the right. When installing a radiator with an immersion pipe valve, you typically place it close to the wall or corner. And this allows us to use radiators of different widths, moving away from the wall as needed. Valves are usually available with the control head on either the left or right side. When choosing the right version, you can base your decision on personal preference for ease of use. However, if you're using an immersion pipe valve, it's best to consider the radiator's placement in the room. For the correct supply and return connections, always refer to the product's technical documentation.